Welcome! In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to use IPinfo data inside Snowflake's Snowsight interface. First, open Snowsight. That's Snowflake's web UI, and go to the Marketplace from the menu. In the search bar, type IPinfo or the specific IPinfo dataset you're looking for. For this demo, we'll open the IPinfo residential proxy detection dataset. We let you start a 14-day trial so you can explore the dataset right inside the platform with real data. Each dataset listing includes useful details, a description, column definitions, and sample queries you can run immediately. Let's start the trial. You'll be able to change the database name and set permissions here, but for this demo, we'll keep the defaults. Now let's explore the dataset. Here are a few things you can do. Preview the dataset, find static residential proxies, identify the largest pools of proxy IP addresses, compare mobile versus non-mobile proxy IP addresses across different services, inspect proxy activity for individual IPs. You can also look up IP addresses one at a time or query them in bulk. That's it, a quick tour of getting started with IPinfo on Snowflake.